Peace be upon you. Many of us, when a new idea comes to mind, or when we hear someone say, "I got an idea," immediately imagine a light bulb lit above the speaker's head, as if the bulb is the visual representation of ideas. But where did this connection come from? Welcome to the Random Questions channel. In this video, we will quickly answer the question, why is any new idea associated with a light bulb? To answer this question, there are two different opinions that try to explain the reason behind this connection. The first opinion suggests that the reason for linking a new idea with a lit bulb is that the brain at that moment is in a state of great activity, producing a large amount of electrical charges resulting from chemical reactions, which may number more than 100,000 chemical reactions per second. This enormous number of reactions helps neurons process the information entering the brain. Then, this information travels through electrical and chemical signals until it reaches the decisive moment when a problem that was troubling you is solved, or an issue that was occupying your mind is resolved. At this moment, it is said that the brain lit up, and this moment is known as the light bulb moment. The second opinion holds that the reason for the connection between a new idea and a light bulb goes back to the invention of the electric light bulb itself. Since this invention was the reason for lighting up the world, some believe that any person who comes up with a new or brilliant idea experiences a moment similar to that experienced by the inventor of the light bulb. And with that, we have answered the question, why is any new idea associated with a light bulb?